And his two twins.
Oh no!
Looks like I win again.
Come on, Leafy. We have to play again. I have to win.
Toast 73 times today.
Come on, Leafy, please.
Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus. You need software.
Wait, Leafy, come back. Leafy,
This is
Gyroid.
Hey, I'm weightless.
Hey, radio. Why are we in space?
Because of budget cuts.
No, what happened to the Big Dipper? And why are Bubble and Ice Cube playing
I think I got
Bubble and Ice Cube playing
syndrome.
catch?
Be quiet, even though we are in space. Had immune.
Ice cream cake, Bubble, so I'm giving you my cake. Thanks.
Now it's down to David, Spongy,
Nothing